So welcome everybody in New to Robotics Open Days. This is another workshop we want to introduce you. So, with the development of modern technology, a lot of interesting things can happen. So to validate design process, we use modern tools, and I want Fred Bonicel, R&D manager of New to Robotics, to explain our newest achievements in terms of presentation of our sophisticated mechanical design projects.
Hi, my name is Frederic Bonicel. I'm the headmaster of research and development for Unista Robotics, and I'm working at Unista company. As usual, Thomas is misleading you. We won't talk about 3D design, but about 3D cube, which is not completely different, but just a tool we use after 3D design. The goal for us is to use this cube to present the machine at the end of the design, to be sure the customer is happy with what we have done, and we got all the functionalities and the possibilities the customers want to get. Thanks to this cube, we can see the machine in 3D, scale 1, and there is no misunderstanding because you're talking about a drawing on a drawing, and because people who can't read a drawing are not able to understand what you're talking about. Here the machine is living, as you could see. We can go here and see the machine, scale 1. And for the operator, it's easy to understand. For the maintenance guys, it's easy to understand. For the buyer, it is easy to understand. And for me, with the technicians, it is easy to understand, to say, oh, this is a handle. I can go inside the machine, and here you have the nozzles. So we know what we're talking about, and it's much more easy.